Well, we're hitting the road to heading to Waimama. We're heading to a house where we're going to install 2 small chandeliers, and we're gonna reinforce with brace boxes in the ceiling. So kind of these things that we use to reinforce so it can hold more weight all the way in the attic or in the ceiling. We're gonna use that to reinforce it because we are known that they have, go ahead Bob, they have regular boxes. We're gonna reinforce that so we can put the small chandeliers as more like fixtures. And yes, this is where we're heading to. We're gonna hit the road and see you later. Setting up, we're gonna change this light fixture right here. Setting up, this is a new house. Setting up for this one. You see here, it's the boxes, my keys, and then we're gonna get this one as well. Already. And then we gotta get to the attic.
Okay, I want to catch you all prepared and see what you think about it. And then obviously,
All right. As you see here as well, this is the piece of PVC, GFCI for sprinkler system. This right here, weatherproof, just code. It's kind of like a new home. Also, bond bridge in here. You know, the feeder comes from underground. Probably what, 18 inches dip. As you see here, looks like a gas or something. It has a disconnect. We put a disconnect on this one to either it's gas heater or I don't know specifically, but there should be some type of heater or water heater or gas heater for it. And yeah, so code wise, you need to has to have a disconnect. So code wise, okay. Yeah, it's 15, it's a 200 amp service. Tag GF5 right here. GFCI right here, you know, there's a Score D. Let me take a picture of it as well. It's a Score D. This company must have a good deal with them. It's a meter combo. You know, meter combo where you put your meter, you put the disconnect, and you still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. You got 8 circuits as well to, you know, if you add anything, a pole or something, you can tap from here and add it. Really cool setup. It's just code. There we go, guys. So just getting used to the new code, Square D and everything. 200 amp Square D meter combo with 8 spaces. Disconnect. You know, it's a nice setup. You can tap from here, do anything for the house outside, and yeah, good to know. Light fixture. it up. Finish it up right here. We're done for this install. Moving to the next one. Let's go. You see we are driving. We're driving down there now. Heading there. Chasing the money. So stay tuned, guys. Let's go. You can chase your dreams. Dream big. We all can. We all can accomplish our dreams, but you gotta fight for it. You wanna want it. Let's go. You see, this is all flood zone in here. We get into quote over here. As you see, we get into the house right now. We're driving. This is all the sea. That's why I got flooded. Where are we going now? Keep you updated now. Let's go. Okay. 200. Okay, well, the ground system looks good, but then from here up, we might have to upgrade because these ones are hard to get. This is international. Huh. Yeah. It's a central air system. You see this? Is it tight here? It's a sub panel. Does the AC get trees from here? Yeah, it's off. It's a 50 amp. Okay. AC.
The docks are 250. Yeah, 110.
The docks come from here, from here.
From that breaker, but then there's another breaker out at the seawall too. But that's
Okay, I see. Sub panel dock.
Yeah.
Only a 30 amp.
It's
Single
right
pole.
Yeah.
Okay. Huh.
I believe there's not another that came off of there, but
Ooh. Get my quote. I'm guessing they're getting a couple of quotes. I don't know if he works directly with him. I don't know, but I'm just.
he must have somebody.
Yeah, because at this point, the house, you know, I don't know once, because I gotta ask questions. If they want to keep the wire that, you know,
Yeah.
or they were gonna do anything new.
That was just, solar battery power.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Oh, that's a nice one though,
it
either
was.
way.
The other one sitting in the canal.
Alrighty, so I'm gonna count this area, because it's probably, we gotta add more. Let me see, yeah, 6 feet from the door, and then 12, and then, what is it, 6 feet from here. Yeah, but all of this that goes to the bottom have to be replaced.
Right. It was all underwater.
Yeah, you know, some of them, like this one that goes,
Well,
Yeah.
at least I gave you the run. I'm gonna beat Pete because I gotta drive all the way to Lewis, and traffic is absolutely
insane. Yeah, I gotta go to Port Richie after this
That's
one.
easy. You gotta try going to friggin' Lewis.
Hey, thank you for the information.
All right.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. Gives you an idea anyway.
Uh-huh.
And there's your air conditioner, obviously. Put a breaker there too.
Okay.
All right, I'm out of here. All right, I'll be back tomorrow morning. Bye.
Thank you. No Port Richie to Port Richie, driving over here, and then, yep. So, we're gonna see another floated house, float zones in here in Newport Richie and Port Richie that we're gonna watch. We're driving now, and yeah, let's go. Hey, we can see the breakdown of the new code here, Florida, Waimama. as you see here, first, this is kitchen Fleximum AFCI GFCI. Microwave has to be at AFCI. Dining room fridge has to be AFCI. Living room panel has to be AFCI GFCI. Laundry washer, which is 13, has to be combination AFC GFC. Kitchen 11 will be AFC GFC. So 11 was kitchen, okay, and then 9 is kitchen as well. Combination AFC GFC. Also, disposal can be AFC GFC. Dishwasher has to be AFC GFC. Dryer doesn't have to be. Air handler doesn't have to be on this space. Air conditioner doesn't have to be. Bathroom number 1, as you see, it doesn't have, probably because it stays in that bathroom, and then they started with the GFCI on it, so they don't have to put that. Garage, that's what you see. They probably put a GFCI on the line side first, and then gas what is this? Gas dryer, which is what? 14, gas dryer, which is 20 AFC. Combination AFC GFC. Bedroom bath. Bedroom 2. It looks like here they put I believe this is a GFC, but it's still, you can put a GFCI on the bathroom, and also here on the smoke detectors as well. It has to be AFC. And foyer family room, AFC GFC. It's just a breakdown of it. Let me know what you think. This is a new code, this is new construction, new house, Waimama, Florida. You have to break down. You can see it over here. I'm just reading the label of the panel, the director of the panel, and I'm going to every single one of them. So the only ones that are not getting here, there's bathrooms, garages are not getting it. Bathroom and garages, because they put also the GFCI first. And then the double poles, air handlers, dryers, and air conditioner, they're not required to have that. This is why my jurisdictions are all different, so this is one of them. Okay, 100 feet, 100, okay. Okay, so it's still look good. Okie dokie. Okay, I see that one. This one looks good. Let me go back to this one.
We just need to bring the service with the big capacity, kind of like.
Yes, if you want to have a 250 here and then 100 over there, we got Tico has to upgrade their service, dropping you, and we have to also do it, you know, because it's more amperage that we are dealing with. Okie dokie. All right, so okay. PTM. Okay. Alrighty, let me call you right back. I gotta take a couple of pictures of this and take some notes, and then I'll call you and I'll lock everything. I'll call you before I leave so I can lock everything.
Just lock, shut off the light, lock it, and just play with the combination, like with the lock. Just.
I will. I'll call you before I leave, okay?
I appreciate it.
Alright, no problem.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. 150 amp here. 150 amp that needs to be replaced to 150 amp. So hey, this is a commercial property where they want to, instead of having a service drop to the roof, they want to make this underground, an underground service. So you see there's 2 meters running. We're gonna upload the meter banks. They said this still good. Looks like it's rigid or aluminum because of the fittings that we have. The fittings look like that there is something like that. But yes, we're gonna have to upgrade all of this once we bid and we win the project, and from there we're gonna figure it out how to do this, because there is something in here, an access, I don't know, manhole. It's right here. We have to figure this out, how we're gonna run this drop. Be interesting how we're gonna make this project happen once we win the bid. Okay. All right, let me take, so as you see here, disconnect 150 amps, GE. There's a GE, they have both GEs, no spaces. I don't know how they did this. It's a 3-phase or something. Both of those disconnects probably have to go. Oh, old ones. So you see the hub has got fucked up in here, where it looks like trap wire. This is all fucked up. This is have to go. And we're gonna make it so we gotta figure how we're gonna go through here, because there's a lot of manholes in here, accesses. Right here there's one, right here there's one, right here there's one. St. Petersburg, Florida City. Yeah. So we just finished over here checking the details for this commercial property. Looks like it's gonna be an office, doctor's office or something like that. We're gonna be working on those quotes later on today. Now we are heading to Treasure Island to get more quotes. So 3 properties were floated, and then they are looking for estimates. Well, we're coming to another property, 785 Sand Street. It's for sale. Let me see if it's still open so I can take a look. I'll lock this one up. Let me call him. $785 for sale too. Fun to see if we have access, but they do the same thing. Property as well got flooded. 75, we're talking about 1,600 feet of square footage. Yep. I don't know if they left it open or not. What they're trying to accomplish. We got in. Alrighty. Attic access. Disconnect for what? 20 amp for. What the heck is that? Going here for, I guess, a dryer. There's a 20 amp. Then goes out there. Funny feeling. Alrighty. Come. Wow. This is what? What brand is this? An ITE from what year? Wow. It's an ITE breaker company. That must go. Oh, I see Romex going up in there. See a lot of conduit. They did this house with conduit? I doubt it. Yeah, everything is conduit. No. Well, this one must go. This is probably what, a dryer, range. Looks like this is the kitchen. Keep you updated, yeah. So now we're heading to Port Richey to get a quote on a mobile home for some sort of redevising of the mobile home because it was on a float zone. They saying that it didn't get floated, the water didn't get to the wires, but for some reason they want to upgrade just all the receptacles around the mobile home. So we're going to Newport Richey to do that. And then there's another house at 5:30 that we're gonna go and check that out to see if we can also, it'll be some sort of rewiring or redevising. Yeah, so today was a 2 small job in Waimama. This camera always fails. Looks like it doesn't stick. And yeah, small job in Waimama, and then quotes and quotes and quotes. 2 houses. We sold 2 houses over here, and we're gonna sell. Well, we sell commercials, so there's 3 quotes already that we watched, and we're gonna do 2 more. So far it's 5. And I keep it in a way that if we did 10 tomorrow, Ave María, esto no pega. Sorry que esta cámara no se cae. So esta cámara se cae. No. So just get. This is life. This is me. So yeah, we did a commercial one. Then we came to these 2 houses. You're gonna see that what we did is Treasure Island, kind of Pasadena, St. Pete. I don't know where I am right now. I don't know much about Florida. Now we're going all the way to Port Richey. we're wasting a lot of gas and a lot of mileage on this move because it's more than an hour drive each once. Yeah, we're gonna get those 2 quotes out there in Uporichi today, you know, with God's will, and then we will try to close them all. What you think? Okay. Okay. Did they tell you anything? So you went there, they tell you that you needed to
Get
a permit to just replacing the plugs.
Yeah, whoever's replacing them.
Okay, replacing all the sockets, all the outlets in the bathroom. Just probably that. Well, that's a GFCI.
Yeah, that didn't get touched.
That only get touched.
No.
Okay, and how the water got? How high the water got?
Oh, I can show you over here.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it looks like it came up to about here.
Okay. Okay.
Probably 10 inches, maybe.
Gotcha. Okay, so okay, that's GFCI. So you replacing the floor? There was carpet in here?
Yeah, that's all gone.
You're gonna put new floors in here?
New carpet, yeah.
New carpet? You're gonna keep it as a carpet? Okay. Man, this just looks like a interesting type of it's a mobile home. Okay, those are like mobile homes outlets.
I assume they're all like that.
Yeah. Because I see they don't have boxes. They just have like those little let me see. Because I think I see one, so I can get a little bit more light. Okay, like this one's. Let me see something. Interesting. No, this goes for that, and that's just what? Okay.
The home is a 2000, so I'm assuming those plugs are too.
Okay. So they came here, take a look at everything, and they never give you a paperwork whatsoever,
No.
quote, even an email?
Well, they text me an email, yes, but nothing on paper.
Okay. So are you able to forward that email to me so I can just take a look at their quoting?
They've been erased a long time ago. They were here like 2 months ago.
2 months ago? Okay. Okay. Hey, what's up, Dennis?
Hey, Pablo.
Hey, what you got?
I'm at a customer's house here. He wants us to move the air conditioner. Okay. The panel's right on the other side of the wall where the AC is going to be. The unit's going to be where the meter socket's on the outside here. Okay. I'm going to go 5 foot to the left, and that's where the AC is going to set with the disconnect. All right. So we're going to go on the other side of the socket here, and that's where the panel's at, and tie into high voltage. All right, you're gonna need number 8 wire with a 50 amp breaker. All right.
Gotcha.
Now, from the panel's in the garage. Okay. And it's in the garage, and he's got a furnace hanging in the ceiling here, which is 10, 20, 25 feet away. I want to get rid of the furnace, the 115 volt, and make it 240. Okay. With you can give me number 10 wire in there. Okay, that'd be fine. With a 30 amp breaker. Can you give me a ballpark? We could go up the ceiling here across the attic and drop down by the air handler.
If you give me can you record a little video and send it to me?
Do what? How?
Like can you record a video and send it to me?
Yeah, do you have FaceTime?
Yeah, but I'm right now I'm in a customer giving a quote.
Gotcha.
Yeah,
Right.
so if you can give me like a little, detailed video, and if you have an idea of a ballpark of, because you deal with a lot with other electricians. If it's simple, it's not like complicated like the other one was, kind of like, also hey, Pablo, I think you should go with this. That's usually
the other guy on that job for the mini splits he left out. On the other side of that wall, okay, there was a sidecar in there, okay, with 4 spaces for breakers.
Where?
Okay, in the air handler room on the other side of that wall, right there. So he had to just come right out the wall there, down the ground over 10 feet, and right there.
There was a panel out there in the air.
There was a panel, and on the other side of that wall, by the fireplace, okay, the air handler. You know where the disconnect was, where that air conditioner was? Okay. That air conditioner went to a side. I'm tired.
Like a sub panel.
A sub panel, right there.
How the heck did they find that sub panel? Right in
an air handler room with number 8 wire going to it.
That was like a what? A 60 amp sub panel or 50 amp sub panel, something like that?
It was like a 60 or 50, but the mini split only pulls 20.
Yeah, and there was space.
Only pulls 30.
Gotcha. Yeah, he definitely wins it. I didn't find it.
Down there across here. So,
yeah, I didn't find that one.
Big deal. He got it done for $900. Yeah, that's what he told me. So.
Yeah. I didn't catch that one. Yeah.
So anyway, that's why I'm gonna make a video here of this one and show it to you, because the guy wants me to give him a price. He wants me to include the electric with it. Okay.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
All right, bud.
Okay.